Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cleona Labahtia with student ID number 4251447 from Department of Communication Science, Faculty of Language and Art. Here I will convey my opinion about smoking on campus. Actually, the campus is place of learning. Smoking is strictly prohibited there. Why? First, most important is health concerns. Cause we are protecting our peers. Cause the smoke you inhale is extremely harmful to non-smoking lecture, friends, and staff. Most have the right to breathe and air while studying. Cause the campus is place for producing smart and healthy individuals. If many people smoke, the campus fail to set an example of healthy living. Secondly, disturbing learning and the environment disturbing concentration. Cigarette smoke can disturb the focus of study in libraries or common areas. Filthiness. Cigarette butts carelessly throw away make the campus environment dirty and spoil the scenery. Healthier, the campus wants to encourage the students to focus on their potential, not on habits that damage their future health. The third, clear regulations are in place. From my explanation above, the campus is a space that should be clean and focus on learning. Let's protect our campus environment by not smoking around the campus areas, wherever in the classroom, library, canteen, and the surrounding area. Because we are not only looking ourselves but also our friends, our lecturer, and staff. This is probably my only brief opinion on smoking on campus. I apologize if there are any mistakes. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cleona Bahtiar with student ID number 442514447 from Department of Communication Science, Faculty of Language and Art. Here I will explain modal in request word like what I have done in PowerPoint. So next, what the meaning of modal in request word? We can next in the slide. Definition is a type of auxiliary verb that express a mood or modify the meaning of main verb to indicate possibility, ability, formation, necessity, or willingness. But here we will only discuss a modal in request word. So we can use is only can, could, will, or would. Is used to ask for something or make a polite request. So in the next slide we go into the theory. There is a modal in request 1 that include is could and would. Next, so could and would is the most common and polite modal verb used to make a request. So first we go into a could, a most polite and formal. And the formula is could plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Uses for very polite requests or when speaking to stranger or superior. As I have exemplified, is could you pass the sugar please? Could I speak to the teacher? Well, here I as a subject speak as a verb 1 to the teacher or teacher as a object. Next there is would. The formula is same as before. Would, subject, verb 1 and object. But only change in would to ask about someone's desire or willingness to do something. The example would is Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you please close the door? So as a subject, like as a verb one, a cup of coffee, uh, as a object. So next we go into modal in request two. Side there is the can and will. This can also be used, but the level of politeness is lower. It usually used with friends and people you know. First, from modal in request two, we have can, or neutral or informal. Well, here the formula same as before. We have can, subject, verb one, and object. Used for casual requests or with friend or family. Now, the example in everyday life, we can use can I borrow your pen? Can you help me please? Well, here we have I for subject, borrow for fun, your pen is a object. Last but not least, we have will directly or less polite. Same as before, we have will, subject, verb one, and object. Less commonly used in requests unless the context is very casual or when you are sure the person will do it. An example for everyday life, we can will you shut the door? Will you wait for me here? Same as before, we have you for subject. Shut the verb one, the door is object. Maybe that's just a brief explanation from me about modal in request word. I hope you understand well. And sorry if there are any spelling error. That's all from me. Karena Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.